Namaste, hi, hello, good morning. In this session, let's discuss an exercise activity for the completed chapter from history part, that is from trade to territory. So, question number one, it is match the following. So, this is question A column, B column. A column Diwani, Tiger of Mysore, Fauzdari, Adalat, Rani Channamma, Sipai. So in B column, answers are given, but they are uh, not in proper order. They are shuffled. So we have to rearrange and we have to match. So the answer to the question is Diwani, it is a right to collect land revenue. Tiger of Mysore, it is described to or it is said to Tipu Sultan. Fauzdari Adalat, it is criminal courts. Rani Channamma, she led an anti-British movement from Kittur. Sipahi, it is Anglican term or relevant term called or stated in India, it is Sipahi. Then question number 2, it is fill in the blanks. So I already filled answer to the blanks. A. British conquest of Bengal began with the Battle of Dash. It was the question. So the answer to the question is it started to begin from 1757's Battle of Plassey. Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan were the rulers of Dash. They are the two important rulers of Mysore. Then Dalhousie implemented the doctrine of Dash, doctrine of lapse. Then Maratha kingdoms were located mainly in the southwestern parts of India. Then question number 3, state whether true or false. Some statements are given, so we have to read the statement and we have to conclude whether the statement is true or false. First one, the Mughal Empire became stronger in the 18th century. It's false. So after the decline of Aurangzeb, it went with becoming weaker. Then B, the English East India Company was the only European company that traded with India. It's a false. India got trade links along with uh, different Europeans like Portuguese, Dutch, French, and finally English. Then Maharaja Ranjit Singh was the ruler of Punjab. It's true because from Punjab province, uh, Raja Ranjit Singh, he with his uh, army troops, they declares war with British. They are described in history as Anglo-Sikh War. Anglo-Sikh War, and moreover, Sikh community people, with the inspiration of Ranjit Singh, they were very expert in special warfare technique, and a special troop was appointed. They are described as Khalsa. Then the British did not introduce administrative changes in the territories they captured. It's false because the territories they captured, they went with introducing, implementing different administrative means and measures. For example, from Bengal, from Madras, from Bombay. So they went with introducing different administrative reforms or changes. So after discussing, match the following, fill in the blanks and state true or false. So I would like to stop today's video, and remaining questions from the exercise activity will be discussed in tomorrow's session. So take care of yourself. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.